Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nazar Pradashia back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO. So NIO recently has seen a rise and we'll talk about why that happened, plus why analysts are saying that NIO will eventually crush Tesla. Ooh, interesting. So before we begin, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own due diligence and research before taking part in any investment scheme. Let's get into it. So we have our usual notes and a few articles. So, article number 1 from MarketWatch. Tesla is under pressure from NIO, but these are the best electric vehicle investments right now, says the UBS. Swift Bank UBS. Okay, so they said Tesla remains the world leader in electric vehicles, but is under increasing pressure in China, with better opportunities emerging among other automakers for investors keen to play the growing trend, UBS said on Tuesday. So they're portraying that NIO has begun to crush Tesla, and Tesla needs to speed up a little bit, even though it still is number one. Analysts at the Swiss bank UBS cut their price target on Tesla stock by 10%, from $730 to $660, citing pressure in China, as well as delays to Tesla's self-driving product and launch of the Model Y in Europe. So they're now starting to lose faith in Tesla. So our key concern shorter term is that Tesla's demand and momentum in China is slowing, and our checks on the ground suggest that BEVs, or battery electric vehicles, from domestic brands are getting further to the ground versus US Tesla, which may trigger additional pricing action by Tesla and consequently lower gross margins, analyst Patrick Hummel said. So they really are already saying that NIO and other Chinese EV companies are doing way better. So in China, pioneering electric vehicle company led by Elon Musk faces stiff competition from domestic manufacturers like NIO, BYWD, and XPeng, of which all show strong positive momentum, UBS said. So they have begun to compare NIO to Tesla, and they are starting to feel that NIO will overtake Tesla or give it some stiff competition. So NIO will surpass Tesla, article number 2, as China's top EV maker, Navillier says. And this is on thestreet.com. So the reality is that NIO is verging on dominating the EV market in China and Hong Kong, the money manager and commentator Louis Navillier says. So NIO shares rose Monday after Louis Navellier, chief investment officer of money manager Navellier, said the Chinese electric car maker will surpass Tesla in China. Ooh, interesting. Sounds interesting. That's like juicy gossip. No, just fine. Another electric vehicle company will eventually displace Tesla as the biggest manufacturer of EVs in China, he wrote in a commentary. I'm talking about NIO. The reality is that this company is on the verge of dominating the EV market in China and Hong Kong. Ooh, burn for Tesla. The new American Depository Receipts recently traded at $49.23, up 9.2%. They have climbed 27% in the past month amid investor enthusiasm for EVs. Now let me just show you how, where NIO is at now. This was written like a couple days back. Now it's at 53.07. It's just rising like crazy. Look at this. I mean, look at this. On Monday, it rose like this, and then just continues to rise and keep going. People are saying that this will fall, but I don't believe so, and I'll tell you why. This article explains it. So, we're done with this article. Next article. Article number 3. This article explains my thinking behind this. Investors Business Daily. So, sales of NIO's premium electric SUVs nearly doubled in May on a year-over-year basis, after more than doubling in April. The emerging Tesla rival in China will have to deliver 7,187 electric SUVs in June to meet the low end of its target to deliver 21,000 22,000 EVs in the second quarter. So NIO is starting to appear as if it would beat Tesla, which does not look good for Tesla at all, but looks great for NIO. So Tesla also slowed sharply in China last month versus April. Investors will also watch if NIO returns to month-over-month growth after May sales fell versus April. Tesla is like slowing and starting to slag a little bit. On Wednesday, get this though, on Wednesday, NIO stock was the most mentioned stock in Reddit thread Wall Street Bets. Okay, that's a red flag already. Pay attention to that. So it was the most mentioned stock in those discussions on Reddit. So shares soared earlier this year on similar online buzz. So we need to pay attention to Wall Street Bets. I follow it personally just so I can see. And meanwhile, both NIO and Xpeng are bringing new and more affordable EVs to market, hoping to shake Tesla's dominance on China. They're also accelerating on other fronts. And I feel that NIO is very good because it has like so many good cars, so many good features inside the car, details, but at such a small price point. That's the main catch. So anyway, fourth article from Seeking Alpha. The city confidence is based on the expectation for NIO to see robust shipment volume in June and record sequential volume gains quarter three and quarter four. So Citi keeps a buy rating on the EV stock and increases price target to $72 from $58.30. They expect to see NIO's robust shipment volume in June and record sequential volume gains in quarter three and quarter four. Citi ratchets up the target multiple 9 times after factoring in the positive NIO outlook and improving NEV beta. The average price target on NIO is $59.46, and the street high, that's the highest you can get, is $80. Whew! For someone to rate it as $80, that says a lot of bit of a something, if that's even how you say it. So, NIO was cracking $50 for the first time since March. Expectations that delivery numbers for the second quarter will show things in China are getting better faster than expected, among other factors appear to be giving the stock a lift. The stock is up 29% over the past month, crushing comparable returns of the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average. And finally, let's look at NIO. So NIO doesn't have a PE ratio yet since it's a quite young company. But their market cap is already $86.99 billion. That's insane. The 52-week high is $66.99. So I believe they can get past that, definitely. So if we look at 5 years, on Jan 15th, 2021, it was 56,000. Then July 10th, 2020, the previous year, it was 14. And that's like a significant increase. If they can just blow up that much, there's no doubt they can pass that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it till the end, that is also your cue to subscribe. All right, bye, and see you in the next video.